Dance! Dance!
Nati. Isang buhok.
Dance! Dance! Hey, I'm making vlog. What's your name? Hi! Morning, guys. You can't open it. Go!
Picture mo to video.
Okay. Sajad Beach Villas. Isa, what are you doing?
Ang bigat ka nila kami Nor.
So kung ginapay. What's this?
A blob, look.
Okay, red. This one's red. Yung ano, sa likod. Fox, real fox. Fox.
Nor, baka lumipad ikaw. Play like this, how long? 5 minutes?
Hello!
Kumusta?
Kumusta?
Naalala ko ito, baka hindi pa mo kayo magulang mo.
Kapit lang, Besh. Oh, we're going to the snow? Sa kanya road.
Amazing.
How about Isa?
How about you, Isa? How's your experience? Eating is life. Madam, what about you?
Exhilarating.
Wait, dictionary! Wait, what's that?
Accelerating. Yung car nag-accelerate.
What about you, sir? How's your experience?
Superb.
Ikaw, kuya. Ano?
I have an amazing...
The trees are fine, okay. The trees are fine. Okay, what about you?
Oh my.
Speechless.
Pizza delivery. You order pizza? Why too far? Nag-hike takot magluto. May
Ikaw na yung talagot.
may spike.
Wave, guys!
Pizza delivery. Baby, where is address? Where is address? It is very long. Delivery. Lamig na dito. Dapat ang bibili natin shoes ng mga pang-hack talaga.
Ayan na Lord, nakalagay. I love something.
Where are you? Say
But this one frozen.
Charlie.
Hungry baby.
Hindi kumakanta na nito.
Okay.
Here now in Karen Canyon. So much people here. Oh, this one beautiful. Oh, see? Because of the El Nino, no more river. Love, 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 love.
Yes. Oh, you drink water, Papa.
Kukunin lang siya ng ibang taong mama. Ganyan, ay. We're here. We're going to the Bear Falls. See you in a bit. Wait! Kunyari, mga hikers ba? Kunyari, mga hikers. Ha? Kunyari.
Kuminto kami. Let's see. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog! that?
Wala na yung malaki.
Sama na, oy, di kabalo. Ayan guys, kailangan naming makabingwit ng isda kasi kung wala kaming pagkain ng lunch. Anong gagawin namin ngayon? Ano?
Wait, this one's gonna wiggle back to the river.
This will be our lunch. Say mo na, Daddy.
Oh! Oh!
Basta ang pagdi-date dyan. Nagdi-date ata kayo eh.
Siyempre, may nag-alaga sa anak namin.
Oh.
Isa, what's that?
Fish.
Yay! Wait.
You can see the pictures, please.
Yeah.
Fish.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Tara, baba na tayo.
Huh?
Di hangin yun.
Hangin ata yan.
Pero may isda yan dyan.
Rakhmet, Kazakhstan! See you again!
Diba kung saan yung mga streams of water, nandun yung life.
Here, look.
Elsa still.
Ay no, ang puti ito no sa kabila oh.
Yes!
Wow, Riley.
Oh, good.
Tingnan mo, nagyayelo ang paligid, pero naka-sleeveless. This is summer here. How? You see that? This and this one. This is still hard snow. Look at that. You see? See na? Guys, ice. Kani, guys, ice. I don't think na matunaw yan. Hey there! You okay?
No!
You can do it.
Salam yung landlord.
Tapos yung mga bibili, wala naman tindahan dito.
Give warm for all
Ah.
house. That's
Heater. Like a
Yes.
coal.
Talo kayo, love.
Orthodox ata yan.
Pili tayo nung ano, yung gano'n.
Sige, cute.
Kasi ano eh. He's our love.
Ab! Ang dami niyang ibon, oh. Hirap. Oo. Hirap tayo mag-ano.
Oh, dinapuan pa! Dinapuan pa!
Ay! Dalawa na dinapuoy! Sige, free tayo ka. How was your experience?
It feels new, but it's also good.
How was your experience, sir?
Bitin.
Bitin? Grabe naman.
Undescribable.
Okay.
You can feel the God's goodness.
Good and bad. Good and bad.
I fell off the horse. Accident prone. Accident prone, but still happy because I experienced those things. Lesson learned.
Hindi ko magastos. Masarap mag-travel. Pag maraming pera.
What's a good and bad experience?
Maraming masarap yung pagkain. Masarap. Maganda yung nature ng Kazakhstan.
If given a chance, are you coming back?
Siyempre. Lalo na pag libre.
How was your experience? How was your experience?
How's experience?
Natutunan. How was your experience?
Rahmat, Kazakhstan. That's all.
Maganda yung experience sa palikuran.
The washroom? Very, very nice.
Isa kami.
Washroom? I recommend it. Superb.
Free movies.
Free window. Free door.
I recommend.
What about you, mother? Very busy?
Pagod yarn. Next time, do exercise before coming here.
Yes, true. Very true. Okay.
Because if not, you'll die.
Grabe naman yan.
The experience was very good in terms of hiking, climbing, and it's more of nature vibe. But the challenging thing is the locals can actually converse in English, and I think that's the only challenge. But apart from anything, it's all worth it. And definitely, if you are planning to come over here, please do some exercises first. And yeah, and the food here is good actually as well. They have rice and bread. And if I could rate the experience, it's 97% satisfied. So bye!